Hey. Hope everyone is doing well on today. I am doing great. So, today I have another hot job lead, and please go ahead and act on this job here. Before I do that, my name is Roxy, and on this channel, we talk about everything's money. All right. I also want to do a quote for today. Just don't give up trying to do what you really want to do. Where there is love and inspiration, I don't think you could go wrong. All right, so keep that in mind. So today's job lead is going to be with a company called CrowdSurt. They are looking for a transcriptionist, and you could do this anywhere in the world remotely. Okay, so internationally, in the US, Canada, anywhere. All right, so this is the website, and of course, I'm going to leave all the links that we're talking about today in my description box below. But you simply have 3 steps to get started. Number 1, you'll sign up on the work market. All right, so CrowdSurt uses work market to hire and pay all CrowdSurt freelancers. You'll join CrowdSurt via work market and work with us on our private editing platform, the CrowdSurt work platform. It's easy to get started. Number 2, you will join the CrowdSurt work market. Uses a recruitment groups to connect you with employers offering freelance work. Once your work market account is set up, apply to join CrowdSurt as a new CrowdSurt transcriber. Review the guidelines and take a brief assessment to join the CrowdSurt group. And then the third step is start crowdsurfing. Now, once you've passed the assessment, we will create a new account for you on the CrowdSurt work platform, and this usually takes up to 3 to 5 business days. Once your account is set up and ready to go, you'll be sent a login and your instructions to your work market email. Okay. Now, the essentials tip for working from home during COVID-19. I'm just going to play this cute little video for you. All right, so that was cute. All right, so to join, you'll go ahead and get started in whatever location that you're in, okay? All right, so that's on that portion there. Now, to work on your typing skills, I do have a typing site that is completely free. It's typingtest.com. I've actually done a tutorial in a previous video that I've done before, so check that video out, okay? But you'll go ahead and click whatever minute test you would like to take. They have the 1, 2, 3, 5, 10-minute test, and then you could put it on easy, medium, hard. They also have the benchmark. They have some tricky spelling, blind typing, story typing, and themes, and professional. So whichever one you want to choose for yourself to kind of practice on. But this is a good way to go ahead and get your skills up for practicing on your typing skills, okay? I do request you all to go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on whenever I post, and also to click the like button and to comment. Let me know what you all would like for me to do, because I do want to base this around you all. So just please go ahead and participate. It's completely free. I just ask a little bit of your time to do that for me. And as always, good luck to those who apply, and hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you guys. And as always, let your faith be bigger than your fear.
You get to cry. Thank you.